Trump 2016, October the 2nd. Just kidding, JK, don't get serious.
It's 2015.
Yeah, 2015.
Around 5:30.
There we go.
And I'm about to eat one of these peppers that I'm about to pick. Not fully ripe, but something. Cut it open and show you guys what's inside. Let's see what is inside in here. That's what's inside.
What does it smell like?
Smells hot. That's what it smells like. Smells earthy. It doesn't, since it's not ripe, it smells kind of earthy. So yeah, I'm only gonna eat half.
All right, go for it.
Only gonna eat half. I don't think the knife had any oil on it. Not really that much oil. Still got a little bit of oil.
So, how long do you think it will take for it to get fully ripe?
From those that are on the plant, I'd say about a week, 2 weeks.
All right.
Enough to get fully ripe. I'm just tasting it to see how it tastes, how hot it is. All right, well, here goes nothing.
10 seconds, right? Or how do you do it? Chew it for 10 seconds. Swallow it. Not too bad.
Not bad.
From 1 to 10. Your face
1
is
to
getting
10.
kind of red. Just a little bit.
Like I'll give it a 5. Well, right now I just ate it, so it's still building.
Okay. Alright. Well, shit.
It's on the tongue. Burns me on the tongue right now. Kind of red, dude.
Well,
It's habanero heat right now.
well. It should be. It should be Carolina Reaper. All right.